Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable Facebook Messenger dark mode on your phone. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing I want to do is open up any Facebook Messenger chat. In this case I have an example chat right here. And what we're going to be doing is opening up the emoji icons. Once the emoji icons is opened up, what we're going to be looking for is this half moon emoji. For me, it was just under the cars section across a couple of slides. And then what we need to do is click on and send this emoji. We should get a couple of these half moons going across the screen with smiley faces on them. And then we should get this pop-up saying you found dark mode. From here, what we can do is go to our settings. And at the very top of our settings, we should see this dark mode switch. Then if we click it on, we should see our messenger should be changed to dark mode. And then if you click on this, we should see our messenger is changed to dark mode. And I think it actually looks really nice in dark mode. So this is a fun little Easter egg that Messenger hid from us. I think it's a really cool thing, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.